guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Putri. So today I'm in Bali Bird Park to see a lot of types of birds. If you're curious to see the type of birds in Bali Bird Park, then keep on watching. The Bali Bird Park is located in Sermacok Ngurah Gambir Street, the Gianyar District, the province of Bali, Indonesia. It's open only on Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. When you enter, there are a lot of restaurants and gift shops, so you can bring souvenirs to the place you come from. Here you can find birds originating from Sumatra, South America, Papua, especially Bali, and much more. Wow, this pelican really likes the spotlight. You can travel from the deep misty jungle of Sumatra to Far East Indonesia and Papua to discover the native birds from these remote regions. You can also venture to other tropical continents too, including South America, the African savanna, and Australia. Breeding is essential not only for the survival of a species but also the well-being of the individual birds. Their breeding program includes rearing offspring from rare and endangered species, developing populations of rare species, also recording process of breeding and behavior. The park is divided into 7 regions that recreate the natural habitats of the birds, complete with indigenous plant life. So this is the Guyu Guyu corner. when you can get up close and personal with their spectacular macaws and colorful cockatoos who will perch on your shoulder for a photo opportunity. You can also meet their impressive and friendly electrospirit couple. The male is bright emerald green and his mate is scarlet red. This show is the Basing Instinct, the Birds of Prey show, where you let your imagination fly and you meet their majestic free flight bird, showing eagles to owls to falcons, where you can watch them soar overhead and swoop down. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. If you're interested in more, then keep on tuning for the part 2. If you're interested in more animals video, then please go watch my Bali Safari video and also my Bali Zoo Park video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Be happy and be kind to each other. See you in the next video. Bye!